guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to GLOBO channel where we make content about artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about where to sell these sculptures. I get the one of the comment is where to sell the metal sculptures. Now, first of all, guys, I think I haven't covered this thing on my video on my channel so far about selling these sculptures. I was talking all about selling the art. The art prints, print on demand, all those kind of stuff. But I feel like other creative people are also making the sculptures. People who are making the sculptures are also creative, and we also talking about the creative people, how they can make money online by selling their original work, their custom work, commission work, whatever it is. So let's dive in. Before go park, consider clicking the like button, guys. I do really appreciate that. If you do so, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon so whenever we upload new videos, you'll be get notified about it. Also, we have the bunch of the free resources to help you make more money. The link is in the description box below. You can also subscribe to our email newsletter that will going to deliver you exclusive content regarding making money online once we get started with that. The link is in the description box below. Let's talk about where you can sell your metal sculpture. I also make the miniature sculptures. In fact, I have shown you in one of my video behind the scenes stuff where I was showing you how I was messing with the clay and all those kind of stuff. I also make the clay sculptures, but currently I'm not selling them. Maybe in the future I'm gonna sell them. Currently I am selling my art prints and my art and all those kind of stuff, but not these sculptures. But I know some of the platforms where people are selling these sculptures and they are making the money. So let's dive in with all those things. Now guys, there are so many websites where you can sell your work. About generalized platform where most of the people from different countries are selling their work. You just need to look for your own country whether you can sell your work on the platform or not, because I can't tell you the exact thing about it. You have to do your own country specific research, but I can tell you the general platform where people are selling, and most of the different countries of the people are selling their website that I have for you is the Amazon. Yes, and I think that Amazon is the global marketplace. It's there in almost every country. Maybe there would be few exceptions in which this website is not there. I don't know about it. I live in a country where the Amazon is there. Okay, so Amazon is a global marketplace. It has its domain according to different countries. You could very well check the domain of the Amazon in your own country. It's a global marketplace, and if you're looking forward for selling your work, then Amazon could be amazing for you. You can Amazon FBA. You need to go with the Amazon FBA. I think they are having the membership. I don't know how much does it cost because I'm not selling on the Amazon, but they are having the Amazon FBA. You can go. The second website I'm going to talk about is Etsy. Etsy is also an online marketplace, a kind of like a global marketplace. Of course, I get it. Some of the countries don't have an Etsy. So many different countries of the people are selling on the Etsy. You can very well check it out. There are so many different kind of handmade products are selling, and Etsy is famous for handmade products. So that's why I am covering over here, because Etsy is famous for handmade products. Like so many different kinds of the handmade products are selling. And since when it comes to the metal sculptures or any kind of sculptures, it's a handmade product, or maybe machine made if you are using a machine. But if you are an artist, a creative person, you're creating by your hand, so it's a handmade product. And Etsy could be a great marketplace to check on. Of course, Etsy has a 20 cents listing fees, which needs to be renewed every 4 months. And all those kind of payment, taxes, and all those kind of stuff is there depending on your own country specific. You can very well sign into the Etsy and check all those things. You can contact the help center for more detail about the VAT and the taxes and all those kind of stuff. Now, I'm not going to go that much detail over here because I'm not a tax expert. I'm not a finance expert, but I just know based on my own experience and knowledge so far. But Etsy could be a great friend. You could look for the various different people who are selling the sculptures on the Etsy and what they are making money from that. Let's talk about the third website that I have on my list is eBay. Now, eBay is also a global marketplace. It's also there in so many different countries. I don't know the exceptions of the countries where the eBay is not there, but eBay is not that. eBay is more famous for the products that are being used or recycled. Like if you have any spare item at your home and you don't want to use it, you can sell them on the eBay. But you could still list your sculptures on the eBay. Why not? It's related to the home decor item. You can check on the eBay and you can list your product and see how much does it cost. And the website that I have for you is Saatchi Art. Now, Saatchi Art is more famous for the art, but people do sell their original sculpture pieces as well. But whether it's a metal, whether it's a glass, or whether it's some other type of the medium, they are selling their sculptures on the Saatchi Art. And Saatchi Art, there are so many people from different countries are selling on the Saatchi Art. Like, you have some kind of stuff like you can list your products on Saatchi Art, and when someone is purchasing it, you need to do the shipping by yourself to your customer, and you're gonna get money from the Saatchi Art. So it's kind of like a marketplace, a global marketplace after these websites, and you could give it a try and see which one of them working well for you, and depending on your country, your origin, and also what kind of stuff are selling more on these websites. You have to do your research, guys. I'm just telling you some platform where you can check in for selling the sculptures, but ultimately you have to do your research to actually come to a conclusion which one is the best fit for you, and you should go more for that. Another platform that I have for you for selling the sculptures is Storenvy. Now on the Storenvy, there is a unique product people are selling. Also, there are so many people who are selling the artworks, the original artworks, the art prints, and a lot more. You could also find the people are selling the apparels or different kinds of these stuffs, and you could also sell these sculptures. You need to Google it and you need to check what is selling on the Storenvy. It could be an amazing platform to give it a try. I think it's free for up to some product listings, and then if you want to upgrade it, they also have the premium membership, which you can upgrade it. You can upgrade it and you can open up your store. Another platform where you can sell your original work is your own website. Yes, guys, you can open up your own website. You can have your own followers. Either you can make your website with a Wix, Weebly, Squarespace. You can even make with a Shopify, whatever website builder you want to go with that, WordPress, whatever it is. You can make your own website. You can promote it on the Instagram or Facebook or the Pinterest, or even you can start with a YouTube channel if you want to create the metal sculptures around video or sculptures around video, and you can sell your product in those videos on your own website. This could be a great one. Like, obviously when you're selling on your own website, you'll be selling either entirely in your own country, or maybe if you want to ship internationally, then you could also proceed with that. But this could be an amazing option, and competition on your own website, and also premium membership. And if you want to upgrade it, then you can probably go with a more higher one, but you can start with a cheap one. You can look whatever website builder suits best your needs and demands, and you can get started with that. Either way, you can also sell your sculptures on the Gumroad, because if you don't want to go with the opening up your website and doing all those kind of stuff, you can start with the Gumroad. Gumroad is kind of like a platform where people mostly sell the digital products, courses, or softwares, but the people also sell the physical products. So you can brought the people to your Gumroad shop, and you can promote it on the social media, and when someone is purchasing it, you can ship to your customer and make money by that. Gumroad has two plans. You can get started with the free plan. Free plan is worth it in the beginning. Later on, if you want to have more perks and all those kind of stuff, then you can go with the premium plan. But I think that the free plan is worth it in the beginning. You don't need a premium plan in the beginning. So these are some platforms. Now I'm going to be talking about some more platforms where you can sell work. Another one is the Facebook Marketplace. Yes, Facebook Marketplace is there. Now Facebook is there, I think, in each and every country. Maybe there would be few exceptions, but most of the countries have a Facebook. So you can go with the Facebook and you can see the Facebook Marketplace related to your own country specific. In your city, you can see there are so many people have listed their products. Not just the art or the sculptures, the people are selling the apparels, the clothing, the furniture, a lot more stuff people are selling in the Facebook Marketplace. And you can see your own country specific, your own city specific, which of the people are selling in your own country specific on the Facebook Marketplace. You can also sign up, make your own Facebook page and start selling your products on the Facebook Marketplace. Of course, it's not your own website. You don't have much control over it, but it could be a great option if you're looking forward to sell your work online. Another platform I'm going to talk about where you can sell your work is the Instagram. Instagram has also have a shopping platform. Like if you see recently, they have been keep optimizing their shopping, kind of like a marketplace on their Instagram. You could go with the country specific or city specific shopping marketplace, kind of like shop on the Instagram where people are selling related to your own country, your own city, and you can see all those different shop owners that are selling on the Instagram. You could also give it a try. It could be country specific, city specific, and all, and you can start selling in that. And you could see from recently the Instagram has given a separate section for shop owners, for the business owners, so you could give it a try. Also, it's a social media platform where you can gain more followers as well, and also you can sell your product as well. These are some platforms where you can sell your work, your metal sculptures, your wood sculptures, whatever sculptures you want to sell on the online. Now there are so many different websites. If you want more such videos on these sculpture selling, on the art print selling, specific videos, do let me know in the comment section below. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Question as well, let me know. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.